I want to talk to you a little bit about images in websites. Sometimes I look at a website and all the images are kind of fuzzy. They're not a good resolution. It's very important that you take a little bit of time to learn about images, sizes of images, what's their pixelation and whatnot. You want your website to load effectively. If you have a very high resolution in a particular image, it slows down the ability to load that picture. If you've ever noticed, you go to some websites, it takes forever for that website to come up and to load. Well, you don't want that. You want to find a balance to where your images are still fairly clear. You can see what the content is. They look professional, but they don't have so much pixelation, such a high pixelation rate that it takes them forever to load. So if you're creating videos or if you're creating images of any kind, you want to make sure that you don't overdo it with the concentration of that high resolution. Because you do, and it's going to slow you down, and people want to get instant results. They want to go through the website, see what's there. They don't want to wait for each image to load and what have you, or you're going to lose them. So it's very important as you go through your images. Now there's things like Pixel Bay, which is a resource online where you can get images for free, all kinds of images. Lots of ways to handle images. And as we move forward, there are going to be places where, in my teaching, I'll break down some things as to how you handle an image and how you can modify an image to your needs and create a story in the image itself that communicates a particular idea or subject. So imagery in a website is so critically important, and don't just pass it over. So in the next little video, I want to talk a little bit more about that. Again, I'm trying to keep these things under 2 minutes, and not go over my limit. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one, probably image number 2.